So once you got that stair stringer all laid out, let's go ahead and cut it out. You cut it out with your circular saw, but you make sure to only go to the line, not past the line. Okay, at this point now, I actually like to set it up in place since I have the end cut and the top of it is cut also. I like to set it up in place and see how these stairs, this would be the tread riser, I like to see if the tread is level. I use a little 12-inch level and I like to see if it's level. If it's not, if it's facing one way or the other, you know you did something wrong, and you can probably still salvage the whole board before you cut it all up and then have to scrap it all. So at this point, I set it in place, check for level. All right, so at this point, I have the stringer in the spot where it's going to go, but I have to get it down to the line. I have to come down the amount of my riser, because this is actually my last riser. So I'm going to move it down in position. I've already marked the line and snapped it. I'm going to get it into position. I'm going to use my little level, check it for level, and it looks pretty good. I'm going to hold it against another one just to make sure it's not one cut that's off. And that looks perfect. It's really good. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and get it back up there and cut out all of the triangles. So you can see here this little bit that gets left in here when you cut in with your circular saw. So we're going to take our Sawzall here and we are going to cut that little bit out so we have a nice square corner. So there we go, we have a nice square corner. I went just a smidge too deep, not a big deal, but you wouldn't want to go past that. Hey, thanks for watching, folks. Make sure you work hard because hard work is its own reward.